Diba? So nag-review na taadto nga ang soil di ay no na siya bearing capacity, meaning mo react na siya kung unsay load sa ibabaw. Gi-transmit gikan sa superstructure from the column to the foundation, which is the substructure, and the substructure then transmit it to the soil or on the ground. So the ground mo to siyang mo react, no? Action reaction na siya. So ang ma-bear niya depende sa klase sa soil. So doon na tayo gitawag nga Terzaghi and Meyerhoff's mga equations, mga theories developed by the scholars, in ancient scholars who developed this theoretical equation on solving the bearing capacity, estimating the bearing capacity of the soil. Okay? So now this morning we will discuss about the foundation pressure. No? Okay. So what is this foundation pressure? Pressure, di ba? What's the unit for pressure? Unsa gani unit for pressure? So kada pangutanan ako, when you answer, immediately tell me your name and then answer my question. Para na mo'y bonus dayon.
Geraldo,
Ana,
force over area.
Unit akong pangutana.
Bogo, ma'am.
Pascal.
Buo na si Bogo. Bogo.
Pascal, ma'am.
Pascal, okay. Bogo, what is Pascal? What is the equivalent of Pascal?
Pascal is equivalent to 1 Newton, ma'am, per square meter.
So, in short, Pascal is just equals to, para taga points, Bogo. Bogo. Bonus. Sige, kung may kag Pascal, sa equivalent ana, wala may mo butang og kuan. Naman jud na unit. Bogo, dili na ko ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wala.
Fuentes po.
Sige, Fuentes.
Kilonewton over meter squared.
Okay, kilonewton per meter squared. So, ano mo si Bogo nga, di mo siya kabalo sa Pascal, equivalent nga. Newton per meter squared. So, ako si Bogo 1 point. Sige. Si Fuentes po 1 kay parang bahin-bahin. So, kada question, no? 2 points. Sige. So, it refers to the pressure exerted by the foundation of a structure on the supporting soil or rock. So, muna iya ang pressure, no? Exerted by the foundation. So, sa atong footing, muna of a structure on the supporting soil. Kung asa man siya naka-anchor or aham siya naka-in contact. So, it is a crucial factor, no, in geotechnical engineering and of course structural design to ensure that our foundation can safely transfer loads without excessive settlement or failure. So mao ra maginato ang importante kaayo, no, sa atong design. Kay kung once gani mo settle na ang ato ang structure, no, nanay settlement, unya it will lead to failure, no? Kita na gid nato nga dili na no serviceable ang serviceability sa building, wala na, no? So mo nay dako kayo nga crucial nga problem. So it is very important that our structure, no, as you can see there, that can withhold or can really support, no, support the soil can support, no, our structure. So from substructure to the superstructure. So we say substructure atong foundation, superstructure ang ato ang main sa atong building, no? So again, the pressure, as you mentioned a while ago, is just simply the P or force over area. Mura gid na, di ba? Basic nga principle. So, ang unit sa pressure is either Pascal or kilopascal. Yung say Pascal, that is just simply Newton per meter squared. Kilopascal or kilonewton per meter squared. Tingin po kag PSF, unsa kay ng PSF? Unsa kay ng PSF?
Pounds per foot, ma'am.
So,
Pounds per square foot.
makani kuan, makani ingon sa imong
Ay,
halan.
Fuentes po, ma'am.
Wala na. So, kuan na, kanang violation. So, you have to follow kung unsa name tapos answer. Every time I ask question. So, take note that the load, unit of load, kini bitaw, permanente mo dili kayo mo makakuha sa kanang mga unit, no? So dapat nakabalo mo unsay unit sa load, unsay unit sa area. Kung PSF, so meaning ang ato ang load unit is pound. And then ang atong area is square feet, no? So kana timanan niyo PSF na po'y PSI. Unsa gyud ang PSI?
Duverte, ma'am, per square inch, ma'am.
Kulang gyapon. PSI, pounds per square inch. Oo, square inch ring gingon. Pounds per square inch, PSI. Okay? So, in our NSCP, no, manaman ta atong sa bearing capacity nga gamit ang theory ni Terzaghi o ni Meyerhoff. Karon naman po tay NSCP, no? So muna ito ang giangkuran sa ato ang most of our mga standards, no, sa ato ang design. So diri in section 304, if you will read NSCP 2015, there is what we call this allowable foundation and lateral pressures, no? So here it says that from the geotechnical site investigation and assessment, no, you will see all these descriptions, no. You will have to assess kung namo sa geotechnical site investigation and assessment mo ni ang butang, no, description of regional geologic characteristics, characterization of in situ geotechnical conditions. So na may mga factual report on the in situ. So nagitay mga laboratory tests, no? So na ay factor of safety computation, and of course the evaluation of existing potential geologic hazards. So part yun na siya, no? Nga naagay geologic hazard nga consideration. Okay? Then we have the minimum allowable pressure. So recommended allowable foundation and lateral values shall be with the allowable design load, no? So ASD, design load. So naapot tayo mga load combinations sa inyong design. Diba? Na naman mo, humana mo steel o reinforced concrete, tumana, no? Okay, supposedly ang foundation kay murag pinaka-end naman nga subjects ninyo. So, diri naatay gitawag nga allowable foundation and lateral pressure. So, ang NSCP na siya provision nga minimum values. So, depende kung unsa siya nga soil, no? So, it must be noted nga kung expert na gid mo kanang uban man good wala ang ato ang data for the soil exploration is not enough. So the NSCP has this recommendation, but basically you have to have the soil classification, no? At least the soil classification is determined, and then you can have this allowable foundation pressure, no? So mo siya sa bearing nato. Ang bearing capacity. So, kung sandstone ba, kung lightly weathered, kung sandy and gravel, so muna siya ang mga allowable foundation pressure. So, muna ang ato-adang pwede ibutang nga pressure dito sa yuta. no, allowable na siya, minimum allowable pressure, maximum, no. Okay, dapat muner na ni dapat, no, ang ato ang mabutang dito. So 75 and 50 kPa, no, this is kPa. O lateral bearing below the ground, so muupod niya ang iyang values. Okay, then natry kung lateral sliding is considered, so it depends, just like the sandy soil and the well-graded sand or poorly graded sand, you have there 0.35 and 0.25. So muna siya. And then take note, class, that this coefficient, no, for against lateral sliding or the resistance value must satisfy always that this you'll have your unconfined compression test or UCT, no? Unconfined compression test must have a minimum value of 3 MPa. So, muna pinakagamay, no? O dayon ang required or rock quality designation, rock quality designation or RQD